Somebody said, if you clean one of the rooms in your house, you make the other room looks dirty. Now after I clean my girls' room, let's see what their play area looks like. Chantel! Fleur! Look at all this mess! Oh well, it's better be played than hide it in the cabinet. That's the purpose. The only thing, I hope they pack away next time. That's it. Had enough. This is crazy. Crazy. Don't know where to start. Okay, even just a bit for the day. Let's begin. So first thing I do is put things away first where they belong, and then I'm going to clean afterwards. These are 2 weeks piled of everything. Congratulations! You found beddings! Ano kayang ginagawa nandyan? Okay, let's have some fun of it. Shoot! Oops! No. Oh gosh, for the love of books, I don't know how many they have now. Hey, patience is the key. I have this OCD that I have to put it all back together. So when they take it out again, they can just chop it. And the most messy part is this paint. It's hard to remove. I'm glad it's washable. I also have this OCD that I have to find all the pieces of their puzzles, or else I will not be happy. Can you see any changes now? Seems like it's still the same pile. This is the last time that I will allow them to do this. Next time, maybe. As long as they enjoy, I think I'm happy too. But I'm gonna be responsible, because this is laziness, craziness. Hurry up, Jhudie! Faster! Balls here, balls there, balls everywhere. I'm curious about this book. It says The World's Worst Children, and at the back, do not read this book. Oh, hey, look at that. Nothing on the floor. Oh, just on the side. And on the other side in their kitchenette. And that stuffed toys on the right. Nearly done. Okay, when I'm finished putting back on, clearing up everything, I will wash all that because some of the Play-Doh still stuck in there. Okay, just this side, and I'm gonna segregate the babyish toys to put away. This is it. It's cleaning time. First, I'm gonna dust off the wall and the ceiling. It's been a long time. I think it's months already since the last time I dust off. You know what, guys? I'm really enjoying cleaning this lot because I had child deprivation, not much toys. You know, guys, I know these toys, the dinosaurs, are for boys, but my daughter loves it. My eldest daughter. Okay, OCD attack, everything got to be removed and wiped off. My eldest daughter is a great fan of fairy, especially the tooth fairy. You know why? Because every time her tooth fall off, she has a surprise on her pillow. Thank you very much, Mama, for all these DVD collections, all original, for all the way from England, even the VHS. And we still have it, keeping it for collections. My two daughters interested in science. My youngest, Fleur, she loved learning about planets. And my eldest, she loves experiments. Maglinis ay hindi biro. Pang ilang araw ko na yan. I think that will be my 4th day. Changing the color of the curtains so it's a lot lighter inside. Okay, done washing all her toys, putting it back now, squeaky clean. And I'm adding up some plants too, forgiving plants. You don't need to water it every day. I'm done, let's see. After 2 weeks of cleaning.
What's this? Earth. Good job. They're the same.
No, planet.
Yes, Earth is a planet.
Saturn.
Very good. Good job, girl.
And what's this? Pluto.
Saturn.